Bonjour, very good morning to all of you children. I hope you all have done good job in your term 1 exams. Okay, so now we are proceeding further towards our periodic 2 exam. Okay, so the next chapter we are having in your book is lesson number 7. Okay, and the name of the lesson is, as you can read here, it's J'adore la français. J'adore la français. It means I love French, I adore French. Okay, you can see it in this page number 74. So in this chapter we are having many things. We are having one comprehensive, and then question answers based on it. Then we are having grammar part. Then we are also having furthermore numbers and some more vocabulary words are there. Okay, so today what I have chosen to explain you is the grammar portion, and very important grammar portion as far as the French grammar is concerned, because today I am going to tell you about the French verbs. How many type of French verbs are there and how do you write them? Because you know, I have already told you that in French each verb is conjugated in some other manner. Okay, and we only write the conjugated verbs. Okay, we don't write whole verb. Now what are the verbs here? I'll just explain you. So as you can see, I have divided the verbs in 3 parts. Okay, first group, second group, and third group. Now the first group is ER ending verb. ER ending. All those verbs ends with ER that comes in this category. Second verb is IR ending verb. All the verbs ending with IR come under this category. And the third one is RE ending. All the verbs that ends with RE come under third group of category of the verbs. Now, IR ending and RE ending we will learn in the next class, okay, in class 6. This time you are having ER ending verbs, because ER ending verbs treat as the regular verbs. These are called as regular verbs. Now, how do we conjugate ER ending verbs? I am telling you once again what is the conjugation. Conjugation is writing of a verb differently according to the pronoun, that is known as conjugation. Okay, so I already told you that in French we write each and every verb in a different manner according to the nouns and the pronouns. Okay, so today I will be telling you how do you conjugate any ER ending verbs. The conjugation of ER ending verbs will be same. So if you remember the conjugation of any one verb, you can easily conjugate all ER ending verbs. Okay, so you have to pay attention here. Now there are some rules. There are few rules. How do you conjugate these verbs? Number one, take the whole verb that is known as infinitive. Okay, for example, I have taken the verb parler. Parler means to speak. Okay, parler means to speak. Now, you already have used this verb. For example, you say je parle trois langues, je parle anglais, je parle français. I speak French, I speak English. Okay, so speak is parler. Now, if you notice, this is an ER ending verb. Okay, so now what you have to do? This whole verb is known as infinitive. Now, second rule is remove ER from the verb to get radical. What is radical? If we remove ER from the verb, here I have put it ER. Okay, so what the portion we get is known as radical. So PARL is radical. Now, add the endings according to the pronouns to this radical portion. Okay, now you have to add these endings. I have written the endings here to the radical portion. Okay, to get the actual meaning of the conjugated verb. Now, what is the ending? Before learning the endings, you must remember that we should not change the order of writing pronouns whenever you are conjugating any verb. Okay, so the order will remain same. Firstly is je, then tu, okay, then third will be il, fourth is nous, fifth is vous, and sixth one is il plural and L plural. Okay, so please do not change the order of these pronouns. Okay, now check the endings. Okay, now with je we use e, with tu es, okay, il le, nous ons, then vous ez, and il plural ent. Okay, Now how do you write? I will just tell you. So I have written je, tu, il, nous, vous, il, okay, and then I have written the Radhikar portion. I have written the Radhikar portion with all these pronouns. What is the Radhikar portion? It's par, P-A-R-L, P-A-R-L, P-A-R-L in all, okay. Now with these Radhikar portion, I have to add the endings, okay. So what is the first ending I have written? I have written E. So E we add with je. So it's je parle, this one. Okay, with tu I have written es. Then with ilal I have written e again. Okay, with no I have written ons, vous ez, and il ent. Okay, fine. So what we get now? It means I speak, you speak, he or she speaks, we speak, you for formal person or you all speak, and they feminine masculine speak. Okay. So you just repeat with me. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Okay. So this is the conjugation, children. Okay. So in the same manner, you can conjugate the other verbs as well. Okay. Other verbs means other er ending verbs. For example, in your book, there are few more examples given. First one is aimer. Then préférer, détester. Okay, so there are 3 verbs already described in your book. You just have a look, and some more ending verbs list given. I have also written in the register. So I have given 10 names of the ending verbs, and I will be sharing the copybook as well. So you have to write that in your notebook, and please look after it once again. Okay, read it once again, try to understand, because this is a very, very important topic as far as the grammar is concerned in French. Okay children, so I hope this is clear to you. We will once again revise this topic in our swimming class. So merci, au revoir.